Mowing tips on the cutting edge. When and how to mow cutting edge, be sure to keep lawnmower blades sharp. Sharp lawnmower blades produce clean cuts, and clean cuts promote better grass health. The lawnmower blades, by contrast, produce rougher cuts that make the grass more susceptible to disease. When to mow, it puts less stress on the lawn to mow in the evening than to mow when the sun is pounding down in the afternoon. Alternate the direction in which you mow each lawn mowing session. Using this mowing tip, you will prevent your grass from getting into a rut. If your lawn mower wheels pass over the same area in the same direction each time you mow, they'll form ruts over time. That are just some of the general tips in mowing your lawn grass. But if you're tired of doing this stuff and would like to have a nice lawn, then Wonderlawn will help you out. Looking to install artificial grass? This is no ordinary artificial grass. It uses cutting-edge technology to produce fibers that are shaped to prevent flattening. Don't just buy artificial grass, install Wonderlawn. We will guarantee you perfect high-quality result. What are you waiting for? Contact them today. Just dial 08412570 text business 3 or email us them at sales@wonderlawn.fuk or simply visit them at www.wonderlawn.com.